Did you know that your mind is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires? By unlocking the potential of visualization, you can turn your dreams into tangible realities. It's not just a technique, it's a transformative force. Harness the power of your mind and turn your dreams into reality. Visualization is not just about dreaming. It is about creating a mental image of your desired outcome. It's a powerful tool, bridging the gap between where you are and where you want to be. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious for success. Turn your dreams into reality by using the power of visualization. Now, how can you effectively use visualization to manifest your desires? Start by crafting a clear mental image. Imbue this vision with strong emotions as if your aspiration is already reality. Practice regularly, making this a daily habit. Remember, the more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. It's time for you to unleash the power of your mind. Start incorporating visualization into your daily routine. Remember, practice breeds perfection. The more you visualize, the better you'll become. So, which visualization technique are you going to try first? Share with us in the comments below, and remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely.